Hey guys, welcome back to Meepers Jeepers. Today I wanted to do a review on the stock Mopar tire carrier. I haven't seen a lot of videos on them, and I was concerned about, because I was considering getting a whole new bumper for the back, because this tire is about 70 pounds heavier than the stock wheel and tire. So I haven't seen a bunch of videos on doing a review and checking, because I've heard a couple things on some of the blogs and forums that the Jeep door can't handle a heavier tire. The metal it's molded in on the inside is not as strong as the JKs or the prior Jeeps. So what we're going to do is open this door up right here. We'll pull this panel off right there and just check, the inner framing of the door. So I got a flashlight and a, plastic pry tool. So all you got to do is just get it down in behind, and I got the top done. We'll get the bottom worked out. I just want to see if there's there we go. If there's any cracks, any stress. I mean, I just can't see it as solid as that door is. As you can see there, like in the corners. Let me flip here, get a better picture of it. I mean, that door is like, it is solid. Like, I don't see anything at all that would concern me. I mean, I didn't think it was that solid, but that is a whole, see the whole molded. I mean, that is heavy duty. So of course the vents for the back, but again, that's the whole inside of the door. But I mean, I would assume if there was an issue, like we'd be having, cracks here in the corners. I don't know if that is what that's for, is to kind of reinforce that corner, but it's the only one that has one. But as you can see, give you a slow view of it. I mean, I don't see any like stresses in the paint, like there'd be a light spot if they were stressing out, maybe here in the corners. But other than that, I mean, I think it looks pretty good. I mean, like I said, I was concerned because that the new tires and wheels that I put on it, the 37 14.5 by 20 Baja Boss MTs, compared to the stock wheels, again, are about 60 or 70 pounds, 65 pounds. These are 165 pounds a piece on the Jeep. So I was just a little concerned about how that door was going to handle that extra weight, because like I said, I was considering getting a tire mount, a bumper with a tire mount on it. But I mean, I've had the Jeep for a year and a half now. It's got 15,000 miles on it, and I don't feel any. Turn you back. I'm gonna pull up on the door. I mean, there is no slop, no nothing in that door. So, and as you can see, I know I've showed it to you guys before. I don't know if you can see that, but 37 14.5 by 20s and a 20-inch wheel. So, but I'll check it again and next say year or two, and see how it's doing then, and I'll let you guys know if I have any issues with the door. All right, guys, thanks. Like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks a lot.